know what we're going to be talking about next, acupuncture. We're at PureMed Naturopathic Center, and Dr. Lewis is with us. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Angie.
So, talk to me a little bit about acupuncture and how it's used here at the center.
Yeah, absolutely. Naturopathic doctors are trained to do acupuncture. It is one of the treatments that we do. A lot of times people recognize acupuncture as being very effective for pain management. It actually is very good for many complaints, but today we are focusing on pain management. Elizabeth has been gracious enough to let us watch her treatment here. And basically what we have is the insertion of very, very small sterile needles directly into the skin, specific points. So really the philosophy is that traditional Chinese medicine says that there's channels through the body. And so what we're trying to do is move the energy and the flow through those channels. Conventionally, we're seeing a lot of research showing that by inserting these needles at specific target points, that you're actually getting an increase in endorphins, so you're promoting a healing response. And I've seen that clinically. Elizabeth has seen quite a bit of relief from her headaches with the use of acupuncture treatments.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's obviously had some pain relief. A lot of people think acupuncture is associated with pain. They think, okay, needles, that's going to hurt.
Yeah. You know what? I'm hoping to really demystify that myth today, because acupuncture is actually a very, very relaxing experience for the patient. Really what's happening, and if I may, I'd like to show a demo right now.
I'd like to see that.
So the area has been cleaned, and it is a sterile environment. Really important. You want to make sure that each needle is sterile. So it comes in a closed container.
Okay.
And really the points have been selected before treatment starts. And then we look to the area, gentle insertion of the needle using the guide as a tool, and then it really is the insertion here. So you can see no flinching from the patient.
Did you feel that, Elizabeth?
Not really.
Not really.
So what happens after the needles are all in is we move them, again looking for a desired therapeutic effect.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so therapeutic effect, pain relief. This can also be used for facial rejuvenation. It can help you look younger. Do you think that it could? Yes, Dr. Davey says it could. Good morning.
Good morning.
So facial acupuncture is something that you specialize in here at the center, and it's something that's become pretty big.
Yes. So I have additional training in the facial acupuncture. So the facial acupuncture is really for people who are looking to improve the appearance of their skin. The fine lines, wrinkles, we can lift sagging, work on acne, any kind of hormonal patterns. So similar to the acupuncture that's done on your body, we use sterile, very fine needles. They're actually a little bit smaller. I have a couple right here.
That's comforting. It's going right into my face.
So this is an example of intradermal
they're teeny
needles,
tiny,
and they're thread into some of the deeper creases in the skin. It stimulates blood flow, collagen production. So they're so small, I actually have to use tweezers, and then there's a really gentle insertion. Patients don't feel these types of needles going into their skin because they're so small.
Right. So if you have like big sags, or it's literally tightening it, so
it will tighten the skin, increase dermal tone, and then also stimulate collagen production.
That's amazing. There you go. Facial acupuncture, another thing that they do here. PureMed Naturopathic Center. We've got lots more to show you. Stay with us.
I'm going to get